How to add or register a shipping address on the SHEIN app. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to add or register a shipping address on the SHEIN app. First, open the SHEIN app on your mobile device. Then, tap on Me located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Now select Address Book from the menu. Here, tap on Add a shipping address to start entering your details. Begin by entering your first and last name. Then, input your phone number followed by your state or province. Now, enter your city and the complete shipping address. After that, fill in all the other required details you see on the screen. Finally, tap on Save to confirm and register your shipping address. It will now be available for use during checkout. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.